So let's start by creating a new Flutter application. Just click on create new Flutter project. In this Flutter application, I'm gonna name this project as Shimmer effect. Okay, I already have this here. So what I can do is just replace this. Okay, Shimmer effect. This would be Shimmer effect app. Click on next, finish. By the time it is creating the project for us, we can go to some sites which we will be using in this video. First of all is pub.day. Here we need to search for this plugin called Shimmer. I'll be showing how to implement this. This is a simple implementation of Shimmer effect. It's too simple for anyone to implement. We will be writing this here in our project. Another website which I usually like is UI Gradient. I'm showing you this website so that you can select different color of gradient options from here. See, there are so many options I can go to. I like this one. I'll just copy this and this thing. I'll copy the first and the second code. Let's wait for the project to finish. Okay, we got our project ready. Now what we need to do is just let the project index first. Okay, we got our project index. Now just remove everything else here. Just remove everything present in here. What we need to do is in this home, what I'm going to do is create a scaffold. With a body of center. I'll be placing my text in center of the screen and with the child of tag. You can use anything, that doesn't matter. Children, this would be a widget. And here I have. Now what we need to do is just before using the Shimmer effect, we need to go to perfect YAML file and paste the plugin here. Shimmer effect plugin, what we need to do is, okay, into just click get dependencies and after that import Shimmer. Here, Shimmer effect here, and get back to your children. And here what we need to do is write Shimmer font colors. There are so many properties for Shimmer. First property would be a child, in which I'll be writing Flutter, which is some style, text style with the font size of 70. Okay, we got our text setup and the base color. We will be using color. Using color and 0xFF. This 0xFF means the opacity, and for now this represents 100%. Now get to our gradient, copy this, paste it here, and just copy the same thing, replace this because we don't need this. Copy paste this here, we need this. Okay, we got our base color and highlight color setup. Check our application first. Let me run the app. But the app is running. What we need to do is go to this website called font.com, dafont.com. I'll list the link in the description. Download Babus. You can use any font. There are a ton of fonts here. Just download any of these. To go to our Android Studio, and here in Shimmer effect folder, create a new folder named asset.